Hi everyone. Today I'm going to go over the Recipe Set configuration as well as the Synchronize configuration. When using OC Enterprise, you can choose what gets updated when you send a recipe set down to the store level. You can also choose how and when non-item entities get sent down when they're not attached to a recipe set. There are two tools you can use to do this, the Recipe Set configuration and the Synchronize configuration. The Recipe Set configuration will allow you to customize what gets updated at the store level when a recipe set is sent down. This would be used when you edit an existing product and want those changes to be reflected at the store level. The Synchronize configuration will allow you to send down new or modified accounts, categories, groups, and more without creating a recipe set. This would be used when you want to send down an additional account or update an account for the store level to use on invoices for lines that aren't in an item. We are first going to go into the Recipe Set configuration. This can be found under the Recipe section and then Recipe Set configuration. Once the Recipe Set configuration window loads, you're going to see a drop-down for each class to update. We can go into one to look at the options, so we're going to go into the item as an example. In here, each value is going to have the ability to keep local or update, or in some cases merge. If a property is set to keep local, it's not going to update it at the store level when a recipe set is sent down. For example, right now the isKeyItem is set to keep local, which means that the key items will not be updated at the store level once a recipe set is set down. The next option is to update, and this will obviously update this property at the store level. So if we look at one as an example, group here, it's set to update. So if you change the group of an item at the enterprise level and then send down a recipe set, it'll update that group for the particular item. The last option is not available for all items, and that's going to be merge. This is for scenarios where you want to update the common information, but leave any additional information the store has added. I'll use case size as the example. If a store has added a substitute case size that only that one store gets, and it has not been entered on Enterprise, merge would update the common case sizes between Enterprise and head office, but it'll leave the additional case size alone so they can continue receiving it. If it was set to update, it would remove that case size as it's not what's matching at the head office level. Next, we're going to go into the Synchronize configuration. This is found under Utility and then Synchronize configuration. This will allow you to choose an entity and decide if you want it to update at the store level when something is new, or if changes are made to it. If you hit the configuration type at the top, you can see the different options we have available. If we go into Account, we'll have the ability to look at the section option here, which is to synchronize with store level on None, Create and Modify, Create Only, or Modify Only. If you have any of these three options selected, what it's going to do is if, say you have the Create and Modify selected, if you create or modify an account, after it's saved, the next time the program is entered at the store level, it'll synchronize that account and send it down to the store level. In this bottom section, you're going to be able to choose whether you want something to keep local or update when an account in this example is modified. This is similar to the Recipe Set configuration. That is how you update both the Recipe Set configuration as well as the Synchronize configuration to choose what gets updated at the store level. Thanks for watching.